Over the years, Reallusion's 3D animation software, iClone, has made leaps and bounds. We've never seen more incredible and realistic results with it. On the flip side, where does that leave the future of cartoons in iClone? In a program not focused on and geared towards realism, has creating a cartoony look actually gotten harder? My answer is yes, because creating unique, cartoony-looking content without higher skill levels or the use of external 3D software has become pretty much impossible. However, especially with their own custom-made models, iClone users can create incredible Disney and Pixar-like animations. You're only limited by your imagination and your skill. That's not what this tutorial series is about, though. This series is geared towards those wanting to create 2D-style, cel-shaded cartoons. It's geared towards less adept modelers, and it's easy enough for beginners to pick up. Thanks for watching this little introduction, and I hope you enjoy the series.